Cembre is pleased to introduce the new CS-EU support trolley, ensuring safe and supported operation of wrenching applications and sleeper drilling. Fitted with an adjustable gas spring, the arm of the CS-EU trolley supports the weight of the machine during operation and transportation. The ergonomic design and interface socket allows quick setup and removal of the Cembre NR series impact wrenches and SD series sleeper drills. Versatile for track maintenance work, the insulated wheels, fitted with an automatic braking mechanism, do not interfere with signals present in the rail. Quick and easy to assemble, the CS-EU support trolley is ready to use within seconds, requiring no tools thanks to spring-loading pin attachments. Designed with safety in mind, the CS-EU support trolley is lightweight, compact and ergonomic, the key features of all Cembre track maintenance machines. When combined with Cembre SD sleeper drills, the CS-EU support trolley improves operating speed and accuracy by supporting the weight of the machine, allowing quick transition from one operation to the next and ensuring perfect vertical drilling, a fundamental feature during rail track assembly. The adjustable gas spring significantly reduces exertion on the operator, helping to extend operation time. Designed to perform in the harsh environments encountered in the railway industry, the CS-EU support trolley is a robust and versatile solution. Fitted with automatic braked wheels and counterbalance trolley, conforming to railway standard EN 13977, demonstrates Cembre's commitment to track maintenance equipment that meets the latest rail industry requirements through our extensive research and development. An extensive range of accessories make the CS-EU support trolley compatible with many wrenching and drilling applications, both vertical and horizontal. Cembre pays attention to detail. Details make the difference. Cembre makes the difference.